Hello, Vanakkam Makkale. I hope you all are doing really well, and I'm so happy to be back on this platform after a long time. In today's video, we are going to make 4 different Valentine's Day crafts. They are all so easy, quick, and perfect if you want to surprise your partner with something handmade. Just a quick note before we start, I won't be showing how I use my Cricut to cut certain designs in this video, but that is definitely for another day, another video. So this one is all about simple DIY ideas you can easily try at home. If you have a cutting machine, feel free to use any designs you like, but if you don't have, no worries at all. You can always draw and cut them by hand just like we did before. Without wasting our time, let's dive in. First, we are going to make a love note in a bottle. You can find these small bottles in most craft shops. Take a piece of jute string and tie it around the neck of the bottle. I'm also adding this little wooden heart at the end for a cute finishing touch. Now let's wipe this bottle. I have printed a vinyl sticker using my Cricut machine. I'll transfer it onto a transfer sheet and stick it carefully onto the bottle. I have printed a love note here, but you can absolutely write your own message for a more personal feel. Roll the note, tie it with a string, and gently place it inside the bottle. Isn't it cute? Just imagine your partner's reaction when they open a handwritten note. It's such a thoughtful gift, and you can even add this along with your other presents. Let's make the 50 reasons why I love you jar. Let's decorate the jar lid first. I have cut a red circle and a vinyl sticker using my Cricut. Transfer the vinyl onto the red circle. Then use a multi-purpose glue to stick it onto the lid. Take the jar and clean it properly. I have printed the 50 reasons on a silver vinyl. Let's stick this onto the clean jar. Perfect, right? Take a ribbon and tie it around the neck of the jar. You can also add flowers if you like. I have printed my reasons, but writing them by hand will give it a more personal touch. Cut the reasons, roll them up, and place them inside the jar. Oh, I love this sound. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft too. We are going to make a shake love tag now. Oh, you can also use it as a bookmark. I have taken 2 pattern shades in contrasting colors and cut the designs using my Cricut. Take a transparent sheet, apply some glue, and stick it to the back of the first layout. Trim off any extra edges neatly. Now, stick the firm double-sided tape around the edges. Add some cute floral sequins onto the second layout. Wipe off any dust from the transparent sheet and carefully stick both layouts together. I'm adding this cute sticker at the bottom. I'm using a smart vinyl sticker here and transferring it onto a transfer sheet. Quick tip. When using transfer tape on paper, always use an old or less sticky transfer tape. You can also stick it onto your clothes a few times to reduce the stickiness. This helps prevent the paper from tearing. See how smoothly it comes off? Finally, tie a ribbon at the top. You can use this as a gift tag or place it inside a gift hamper to make it look extra special. Let's shake it. Cool, right? Let's make a handmade card. Take a white and red cards. I have cut tiny hearts in the red card using my Cricut. Remove the hearts carefully. We'll use them later for decoration or any other crafts in the future. Apply glue and stick the red card onto the white card and then fold it in half. take another white card, slightly smaller than the red one. Write any messages you want and stick it on the red card. I have also cut a small envelope. Glue the corners and add a tiny letter inside to make it cute. Now let's stick the envelope on the card. I already have this sticker ready, so I'm adding it here. Finally, decorate the card using the tiny hearts and some sequins. What do you think? Do you think your partner will love it? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try any of these crafts, please tag me in your stories and post so I can see your creations. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make any other crafts that you like. So until then, bye-bye and have a lovely week ahead.